Ba-ba-ba-ba-doo. Oh, morning, Bert.
Good morning, Ernie. Ernie, what are you doing?
I've got a very busy day ahead of me, Bert, and I need to be ready. I've got my yo-yo, a sailboat, some slippers.
Okay, but Ernie, that's not all you need to get ready for your day.
You're right, Bert. I forgot my kazoo.
A kazoo? Oh, Ernie, if you want to get ready for your day, you've also got to get your brain ready.
My brain?
Your brain. It's part of our body and it's in our heads. It helps us think, talk, move, and feel our feelings.
Well, what else does my brain need? I mean, besides a yo-yo, a sailboat, slippers, or a kazoo, or a rubber ducky.
What you need is a healthy breakfast. When we eat healthy foods, that helps us be our smartest, strongest selves. You know, it can even help you get better at yo-yoing.
Better at yo-yoing? Bert, what kind of food is good for a healthy breakfast?
Well, a healthy breakfast could be peanut butter on whole grain toast, a tasty breakfast bowl with rice and egg and avocado, berries and yogurt, or my number one favorite, oatmeal.
Oh.
I put strawberries on yours, Ernie, because I know you like them.
Oh, I sure do. Thanks, Bert.
Here, eat this oatmeal and you'll be ready for a great day.
Hey, Bert, I can't find... A spoon! Now I can give my brain what it needs. A healthy and delicious breakfast.
You don't happen to have another spoon in there, do you?